Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the help section in the Coupert application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And within this section, look for the help center button and click on that. And as you can see, here are different topics related to the application. So just click on the one that you're interested in, and here you will find all the most frequently asked questions connected to Coupert Gold. So just click on one that you want to learn more about, and then you will get a very detailed description with like pictures to help you, and you will find all the information needed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.